what is the fundamental thing you need to start any business? See, actually, this question has been put up by someone from the Ghana yesterday on my first episode. So before to answer you this question, I'd like to clarify that today on the breakfast table, everything is finished except my tea. I will finish this after answering your question. In my personal experience and with my research, I realized that you really don't need any kind of diploma, graduation, PhD to start your business. Actually, we are surrounded by the successful people who have no diploma, no master, but they are succeed in business. Why? Because successful business people are combined with the three ingredients you need to know. The very first thing, that is a burning desire, a passion. Passion generally comes with the two circumstances. First, you have a desire, you have ambition to do something, build something, change the society. Okay. Second, you are in an ambience that you don't have any other choice. The only thing you left is that to start a business to earn living. Okay. This is the first thing. Second is that the basic skills and experience. The basic skills, what is that? The speaking, listening, writing, reading, calculating. So those are the 5 basic skills. As well as if you are a professional, so you may have some professional like technical experience or marketing experience, any kind of experience you have. Based on thus mixing your passion with your basic skills and experience, you can start any kind of business. Business is not all about the marketing, sales, because the marketing, sales, operation, organization, this is the additional part. This you can acquire from additionally from someone else. It's available in commodity in the market now. Okay, people are ready to give you in a small price, in the big price. Okay, it's depend upon the company, depend on your choice. Okay, so all you need is a passion and basic skills and experience. When you mix it, you can start any kind of business. But the third thing here is a very important component. So most often I can see that the people who just mix those two ingredients, they generally failed in their business initiative in 5 to 10 years. Why so? Because the market changed. There is an evolution in the market. There is a technological evolution. There is a legal evolution in the market. Okay, so all there is an evolution. And when you just have your basic skills and your passion, it won't last long. After 5 to 10 years, it's begin to go down. At that stage, either you have to close down your business or you have to start something else. I literally interview some people and they said it to me. This is my experience as well. So here I like to emphasize that whenever you start any kind of business, just 1 or 2, as soon as possible, mix with the third ingredient of business. What is that? I call them OP skills. Let's talk about what is the OP stand for. So OP stand for the organizational skills. Remember, every skills having a many subset skills. Okay. So when I'm talking about organizational skill, is maybe your time organization, your day organization, your paper organization. There is a many organizations. So be careful about that. So the organizational skill, observational skill, people skill, emotional skill, your ability to initiate and your ability to focus. So when you start any kind of business, try to grab all 6 set of skills as soon as possible. Don't wait that when you will be needed, then you will start doing it. Now the question is, how will you have it? It's very simple, because you already have a basic skills. Once you have basic skills, it's opening you a new door, like you having a reading skills. So other than doing a business, start reading books. Try to read as much as possible the business books. That will give you a lot of insight. Your curiosity will help you and lead you to go to the next level. Okay, so what I like to emphasize here, that just having a 3 ingredient, you can start and succeed in any kind of business. So I won't stretch this conversation much more. Tell me, does my answer help you? Did you learn something new? If the answer is yes or no, please leave your comment below. And thank you so much for your love and support by liking and sharing this video. See you in the next episode. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.